Okay, we'll start with our brother. Would appreciate if the participants can say out your name clearly.
Hello, good evening once again. I'm SP Ezekiel and my serial number is 2.
Hi, good evening, Ezekiel.
Good evening, sir.
You look really awesome today.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, my question to you is, what can a man learn from a woman? I repeat, what can a man learn from a woman?
Okay, thank you, sir, for your questions. So, in today's life, there are so many things that we can learn from a woman. First thing first from a mother. Patience. Cooking. Yes, because I love cooking and my mother taught me. To cook, because you eat twice or twice in a day. If you don't know how to cook, then how are you going to survive? Cooking is a man thing. And then you have to learn patience. Boys are very impatient these days. So you have to learn patience from your mother, from your sisters. And there are so many more to learn, like bearing the pain, and also understanding your family in so many situations. For men, there are so many people like who doesn't understand the family as much as a girl, as a woman, because boys are like always with friends and then doesn't know much about the family. But being a girl who is very calm, who is very elegant, studies about the family, knows about his or her brother, knows about the father, knows about the sister, mother, understands everything. So that these are the things that we need to learn from a woman being a guy. Thank you.
Serial number 1.
Hello everyone, my name is VedAoyu and I'm serial number 1. Okay, it's hard for me to pronounce the name. Jack Lepao. Yes. Okay. You've come a long way from Manipur to Delhi. Yes. Tell me one Poumai festival or a culture which you miss the most and tell me why. One Poumai festival or culture that you miss the most and tell me why.
There is one festival that used to be held in March, I guess. It is a wrestling festival. In that festival, all of the villages come together and compete each other with the strength of the men, and all the talented and strong men usually come and compete. And what I learned from that is that all the villagers comes and show each other's strength, and each shows equality, and each shows equality. Thank you.
Do you know the name of the festival?
Sorry, it's just a wrestling festival. Judge number 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shah Auditorium and my serial number is 2.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
My question for you is, what is your greatest strength during the greatest challenges you have faced? I repeat, what is your greatest strength during the greatest challenges you have faced?
Thank you, judges, for the question, and I'm thrilled and excited to answer the question. My greatest strength and my greatest overcome, I should say, is when I'm feeling down or when I'm not in mood, I pray to God and I ask Him for His mercy, for His guidance to help me overcome. And He never tells me to answer my questions, and He always gives me the strength to overcome the challenges which I face and which I think I can overcome. But He's always willing and He's always there for me to overcome the challenges. And moreover, there are so many challenges which I face, but we can overcome the challenges if we have the patience and if we have the right motivation, if we have the right mindset, we can overcome the challenge, whatever it may be. So I would like to give an example of it. Since even though I'm not I'm not so good at mathematics, but I'm very fond and I love this subject. The reason I love is there are so many challenges and overcomes in this subject, but this subject is considered as one of the most difficult subject in the science stream. But for me, I consider as one of the most easiest and one of the most traits which the challenges face. Because in this question, in this subject, there are so many problems, but with the right formula or with the right mindset, we can all overcome these questions. Like it helped me when I'm down or when I'm feeling lonely, or it's one of my favorite or one of my best friends, because I've learned many things in this subject. There may be so many challenges in this life, but we can overcome it with the right formula and with the right mindset. Thank you.
Judge number 1. Good evening, everyone. Once again, I'm Divine. Hello, Divine. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Are you enjoying the VedAoyu Niih? Yes, so much. Okay. My question for you is, what, according to you, is the best way to promote women's empowerment? What, according to you, is the best way to promote women's empowerment? Thank you, ma'am. The best way to promote women empowerment is that from yourself within. Like me as a woman, myself, if we women are true to ourselves, like being honest, showing kindness, and humility to the community as a whole, then and serving women, serving people with love, humility, then I think then I think we can grow. And then as a woman, we should love to respect one another, and like if we have like problems with our neighbor and all, we can share to each other, and then we can solve it. And then women empower. We can empower through our little works that we do, and share love. Thank you.
Judge number 4.
Hello, good evening once again. My name is Grace Niih.
Hi Grace, how are you feeling?
I'm kind of nervous, but I'm okay.
So Grace, I want to ask you, after you came to Delhi, and what is your goal? Where do you see yourself in a year in Delhi? Doing, like, in career-wise or education-wise, what is your goal?
Yes, as I've said in the morning in my introduction, I came to Delhi wishing to be a part of a cabin crew in the coming days. So I am right now focusing on preparing for that. And in a cabin crew, yes, communication skill is the most important thing. And then when I was young, my brothers always remind me how important communication skills can bring us. And yes, communication is the key. Key to what? I would say communication is the key
To success.
double step to success. Yes, double step to success. So I would practice myself in a way like to improve myself. I will self-interview myself. When I'm alone, I will throw random question to myself, and then give answer to myself. And I think that is a good idea, and I would like to share everyone or tell everyone to try it out, because that is how you came to know more about yourself. And yes, if you know more about yourself, I think you have more confidence in yourself in whatever you do. Thank you.
How nervous are you right now?
No?
Out of 10,
No.
if you were to rate, how nervous are you right now?
At first, when I was in my seat and to come here, I was like very nervous and thinking, should I go or not? But after I came and sat here and see all these beautiful people, I'm okay. I'm not nervous anymore.
Okay, thank you. Come on, shall we all give a round of applause for all of them one more time, please? The house seems to be low in energy. Come on. Judge number 3.
Once again, a very good evening to you all respected judges and to one and all present here. My name is VedAoyu Niih.
Hi Stella.
Hi.
Good to see you on stage. One question, simple, but I'm not sure if you will be familiar. Tell me one Poumai proverb or a saying. What you like, right? One Poumai proverb or a saying, which you like, and tell me why you like it.
Thank you very much for the question. It's a bit confusing.
For instance, okay, Poumai for instance, okay, one Poumai saying, famous one, or a proverb of Poumai. Okay, tell me that why you like it. Okay, I don't want to put you on hot spot. I'll take that question back to myself, and maybe it's hard for you. Tell me, what are the influences of social media in the youth life today?
Thank you very much for the question once again. So, the influence of social media in our lives, as you can see, we are the Gen Z, and we are so much inclined to our phones, Reels, Instagram, Snapchat, TikToks, whatnot. So it's like, sometimes as I'm preparing for an exam, I keep my phone aside because it causes distractions, but I also need to Google some things, like solve some questions and ask some doubts or like that, so I keep it on my desk, but you get that urge to use it, the temptation comes just seeing the phone, or when I say just 5 minutes, I take my phone, I'll go through Instagram, I'll see some of my friends, what they post, I'll be like, oh, it's nice, and sometimes we feel the urge to follow what they are doing. We feel like we need to fit in what they are doing, we have to, if she has straight hair, she looks beautiful, I have to have straight hair, I want to look beautiful. We tend to follow up the trends. So it's like, it has a very bad impact on us, but it also has its advantages because like, honestly, by scrolling, I learned some things, and yes, like we can learn different things, English or whatever. When they speak, great influencers, they speak, and so like I learn how to speak from them, how to present myself, but it also has its disadvantages. Thank you.
Judge number 4.
Hi, my name is VedAoyu.
Hi, Heavenly. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be and why? I repeat. If you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be and why?
Thank you. That will be Hashmi Tajik. Like even now,
You want me to repeat the question? Pulang di bawah.
like it will be phone edit or distraction from something. Like it has distracted Halifulia Solomon. Like I want to change that. Then Solomon just distraction untuk pulang naman.
Alright, thank you. May we have the next one, please? Judge number 3.
Thank you. A very good evening to the esteemed judges and everyone present here. My name is Novala Sikowai and my serial number is 3.
Hi, Mr. Sikowai. Someone just complimented you saying you're looking very cute. How do you feel?
I'm feeling proud.
Okay, so Mr. Sikowai, I want to know what according to you are some of the good qualities of a good husband?
That's a very interesting question. I've been thinking about that lately as I'm going to be a husband someday. A good husband materials needs to be patient with his own wife. Even when he's angry, he should have self-control and see the other side of it. he should also have his own pride as a man. As a man, to take action and control over things like he have to be the decision maker, whether it's good or bad, and even if it's bad, he also have to take advices from his wife in order to make it a better decision. And
do you think you'll be a good husband someday?
I'm sure of it. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. May we have a last guy, but not least. Judge number 4.
Hello, good evening everyone once again. My name is Tenhok, and my serial number is 4.
Hello, Tenhok.
Hi.
Are you confident you can win this Mr. Fresher title?
50-50.
Well, my question for you is, what makes you different from others in this contest?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. The one thing that I find different from everyone from this contest is my outfit. I'm not wearing a very formal one. That is the first thing. And the second one is all of us have different dreams and aims to do in the future. For everyone, engineering or either one said to become a cabin crew, to join a cabin crew. But for me, ever since I was a kid, since 3, I aspire to join the armed forces. And after my class 10, I've decided that after my job, I will not continue any further studies and go straight for coaching. That is, I came here some 3 months back for National Defense Academy course. And now, as my 3 months course is finished, I'm just getting through my studies and everything. And that is one thing I find it very different and unique from everyone else. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. Before they take the seat, if there's anything the judges would like to say, if any one of you, before they leave the stage.
Well, honestly saying, all of you answered really well. Kudos to the 9 of you to come up on the stage to gather the courage and then, answer the questions very gracefully. I wish the best for you all, all the dreams that you have with you, and after coming to Delhi, I pray that you'll all be very, very, very successful, and in next year, you'll be a different changed person, and we'll have a get-together again in an event like this. So all the best to you all, my best wishes, do well in life. Thank you.
Thank you. You may take your seat now. Thank you, everyone.